Out with the dog at the park. Too many people letting their dogs be free, so I gotta be able to. I gotta secure myself off so I don't gotta worry about them. Cause this is not what I'm trying to do today. Deal with nobody that can't maintain their dog. Lady, come here. Hey, I'm finna show y'all a command that me and my dog got that don't involve words. You want me to redo it again for you? Up, lady. Did you see it? Okay, I'm gonna redo it one more time. That mean all the way down, sit, and all that. That's what it mean. Camera messing up. Lady. Get your behind down. I think I put the camera down when she supposed to go down. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Drop it. Come here. Sit. What did I say? Move back and sit. Put your behind down. All she want to do is love on the owner. Get down. Move over. Sound like somebody, dog, getting it right over there somewhere. That's what I'm saying. I got time for that. I'm an African American with this dog. First thing I say, the pit bull was in the wrong, and she ain't doing nothing but defending herself. Just cause another dog started and she be able to defend herself. No, move back. What did I say? Put your head back. Move back. Move back, lady. She trying to figure out where that barking coming from. You don't have to listen. I know you got my back. I ain't worrying about nothing. You got a very alert. Down. Barking come from over there. So she's sitting this way, but you see, paying attention to everything. Everything. Very alert. Sitting right between my legs, make sure I'm good. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, mama? You see this shit? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is, mama. Show you how she walk. 'Cause I'm always running. Hey, come here. Come over this way so I can take this off. Sit. Come here. You gotta sit down. Sit. Come on. Come on, mama. Part of bed to heat all that pen. Look at that beautiful walk. See how patient she is. See how much play in the leaf. I don't know why she walk on territory in a park that don't belong to her. Hey, slow down, lady. How good she look. Want the bird. Want the bird. That mother gonna fly away on you. Want the bird. It's gonna fly away on you. Look. Girl, they fly. Come on. It's a good dog. Oh Lord, she to see some other dogs. Oh Lord, she to see some other dogs. Come on, lady. Look. That little dog turned up. Come on, lady. What kind is that what dog? Yes, sir.
We rescued him. They could have Greyhound.
Yeah, I can see the Chihuahua Greyhound in it. Come on back down here, lady. Lady, come back down here. Come on, lady. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end this video because I want to go and wash my vehicle. How you guys doing today? Come on, lady. Look at her. So beautiful. But short little video for you guys. I got some other things I gotta do today. I've been out for a minute. I realized that I could videotape the majority of it, but I didn't. So, all right, you guys have a nice rest of the day.